Welcome to ODU Intellect, where culture, knowledge, technology, and sustainability meet. We're more than a platform, we're a digital space built to preserve culture, strengthen identity, reconnect communities. In today's world, traditions are fading, languages are disappearing, the planet is under pressure. Something needs to change. We believe technology can do more, not just connect us, but protect our culture and protect our planet.
What we stand for: empowering families and diaspora communities through culture, knowledge, and innovation.
Art and cultural storytelling, bringing heritage to life through creative digital expression. AI-powered language learning, reviving indigenous and heritage languages through accessible technology.
Heritage food and nutrition, sharing traditional food knowledge and sustainable practices.
Cultural education and identity, helping individuals reconnect with who they are and where they come from. Join the movement. This space is for you. Follow us, share your story, be part of something meaningful.
Our eco-conscious approach: digital-first learning, reduced waste, lower environmental impact. Culture plus sustainability equals the future. Identity is power, language is memory, food is history, culture is home, and our home must be protected. ODU Intellect, where roots meet innovation and culture thrives responsibly.